ito sa napaka-importante bahagi ng ating buhay dahil ito ang tubig. Kaya as an advocate of environmental awareness, I would take this opportunity to tell all the speakers, especially to the young generation, especially to those people who are here, that we must, take care of our environment, especially the water, because I believe at the end of the day, water is life. Thank you. So, what are your plans?
Photogenic na!
Okay, the winner for best in round, ladies and gentlemen, again, candidate number 1.
Yes! Yes!
The winner for best in swimsuit is with Grace in Pole. Ladies and gentlemen, best in swimsuit is candidate number 1.
Random na daw mag-apagate ako sa design.
Yung singing contest ganyan, natural lang.
Kaya makaya ko rin ako sa
Our Miss Avon, ladies and gentlemen, is candidate number 1. Judge number 3, Sir Ronald Sabina.
Ay, wala. So, ay, pang
you could use your platforms to advocate for one change or cause in your community, what would it be and why? Okay, I repeat. If you could use your platform to advocate one change or cause in your community, what would it be and why?
Thank you so much for that. My advocacy during here tonight is the lived experience of the LGBT community to be accepted by the society. Yes. This platform can help every LGBTQIA plus members to show them and who came out from their closet. You know what, guys? Ang dami-dami ng taon na tayo ay nalulungkot dahil sa pinatawag na flashing or discrimination ng mga tao. Alam mo kung bakit? Dahil sa mga kitid na utang ng mga tao na hindi kaya kaming tanggapin. Love to ladies and gentlemen, I'm here standing in front of you proving that hindi lang kami bakla. We're here standing in front of you striving our goals in life. That goals is to be accepted by each and everyone. Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations for winning the top 4 finalists. How old are you? How old are you, candidate number 1?
I'm 21 and I'm 24.
What language do you want me to use? What language do you want me to use? What dialect or language do you want me to use?
I think any language as long as I can comfortable and also to understand the area. I think this is okay.
Okay, good. Right, at the young age of 21, will you please envision yourself 10 years from now?
Thank you so much, sir, for your question. Well, in my 21 years of existence in this world, I see, as a communication student for TSC University, I also do a Bachelor of Arts in Communication. I see myself in 10 years from now as a successful transgender, influencing and also teaching the young generation to be educated, not just also in their education and also in education. They also will be educating also to respect, especially to the LGBTQIA plus community. Because as an advocate also of love, kindness, and duty, as a communication student, I want also to teach them to show love, to show respect, even though that no matter what race, gender, and also situation in life, you should respect each and everyone. Because at the end of the day, we were as one nation, we are all together, we are one. Thank you. Peter, no. Okay, judge number 1, Sir JC.
Candidate number 5.
I'm fine. A little nervous.
Okay, so your question is, for you, what's the real meaning of the crown? Again, for you, what's the real meaning of the crown?
Pardon? For me, a real meaning of prom is not just about having easy a prom by such a real meaning of prom is about having a character and attitude that allows you to use this platform or to use this crown as Miss Gay Lago New York to serve as a deserve that pride that is truly diverse, and life is diverse, and there's beauty in diversity. That's why we should always look for respect that we LGBTQ, we appear in this world and we deserve to be accepted by society and community as well. That would be all. Thank you.
To the honors of awarding the third runner. And now, our Miss Gay Lagunoy North 2024 third runner-up. Sir JC, would you please join us? The winner is Music Room. The winner is candidate number 6. Congratulations, candidate number 5. Lagunoy, or Miss Gay Lagunoy North 2024 is, congratulations, she is representing Barangay Sipako. Miss Lagunoy North 2024, and of course our first runner-up is candidate number 7.
I picked flowers and placed them in a vase and let them pass on as quickly as they came. Yes, I'll admit I'm a bit ashamed, but nothing's worse than staying the same. I see